Hi everyone. So I saw on r/Quizlet that some of you were quite disappointed with how Quizlet updated their web interface lately, and I must say that I'm in the same shoes. I mean, it really is worse now. Let's take a look. So I'm using Quizlet mostly for learning Chinese words, and so I'm mostly using the learn mode. So let's click that. Okay, so first of all, the text size. It's tiny, right? It's just tiny. But that is not the main issue with me, for me. But the thing is that it is really crucial for me to be able to hear the Chinese pronunciation for the words that I learn, because as you might know, like Chinese is a tonal language, so it really does help with memorizing those tones. So this is in Hungarian, my mother tongue, and in Quizlet there's no text-to-speech for Hungarian. So this loudspeaker is unclickable, and you don't hear anything, and that's just normal. But if I flip over to the other side, to the Chinese side of the card, I should hear that word in Chinese, right? So let's flip over, and I hear nothing. And if I flip back again,
脸
now I hear it. Let's take a look at another card. Nothing. Nothing.
长
Now I hear it. So basically, I guess it's a bug. It just it works backwards. I mean, it's useless.
长
I can hear the Chinese text as I'm looking at the Chinese audio as I'm looking at the Hungarian text. So luckily, I was able to manage a quick fix for this. So what you have to do if you would like to have it is to install this Chrome extension, user JavaScript and CSS. I will put a link to it in the description below. So you just click add. Sorry, this is in Hungarian. Welcome to Europe. Yeah. So that's done. So there are two more links in the description below, two Pastebin links, and the first one is this one. You have to copy everything from here and then go to Quizlet and then open this extension and click add new. You click that, you paste all that JavaScript in here, and then it is really important that you hover here and check these two checkboxes, JavaScript and jQuery 3, and then click save. And finally you have to refresh Quizlet. And let's take a look whether it worked or not. So if we flip the card over,
鼻子
yeah, we hear the audio.
别人鼻子
Cool. Yeah, so that was like one half, and for the text size, you have to go to the second Pastebin link. Just like before, copy everything out, go to this extension, and paste everything into the right-hand side pane. Basically, here you can change the size of the text on the cards. Plus, here you can change the text of Chinese characters. So if you're using Quizlet, if you're not using Quizlet with Chinese material, Chinese materials at all, you can actually just get rid of this part and just save and refresh, and as you can see, the text just got bigger. You can change the font size here. You can make it even bigger. For example, you can make it like 60 pixels. Save, refresh,
鼻子
and it's huge now. Yeah. The reason I have this part here is that yeah, I wanted different rules for Latin and Chinese characters. I wanted Chinese characters to be even bigger because yeah, each Chinese word is usually just 2 or 3 characters long. So there's space for even yeah, bigger fonts with Chinese text. Plus, I added this Kaiti font so that Chinese characters would be displayed in this more handwritten font. And that is it. And I hope that this works for you until Quizlet decides to either revert to the old interface or fix these issues. Thanks for watching and have a nice day, I guess.